Hey guys, it's me Ava, the Chestnut Cowgirl, back for another video. In today's video, we're gonna do Vlogmas Day 2, and it's just gonna be about what a vlog is. I'll go around, do some of the chores I need to do, and then I'll show you guys a little bit of footage of me riding Melia bareback again. Here she comes. She won out here. Hi ducks. So, before it snowed, I'd set up Melia this electric wire connects to the fence so it can turn on, and I'm glad because she does not care if there's one wire, if it's on or off. That's what I love about her. But the snow sort of tore it down, so we're gonna take that off today and we're gonna do a time lapse of that. Then we got all 11 ducks. Make sure they're all there. We always count them every day. 4, 8. Yep, we got them all. So that is Maple, that is Charles, that's Mort, and then the rest we have no names because there's so many. Hi guys, how's it going? Yeah, hi. You guys are so pretty. Yeah. So let's do a time lapse of the fence taken down. Got this, so now head back to the pavilion to load it up in there. They think they're gonna get food, and they probably will, because there's not much for them to eat out here, so I'll get them some food. Oh, my hand's so cold. Yes, hi. Want some foodie? Yeet. There you go, bone apple teeth. I'll get him one more scoop. There's 11 of them. That's not a lot of food for 5 of them. Foot. There we go. Yeet. Delete it. Come on. Are you searching for more corn? Come on. Today's also poop pickup day. So yeah, we got pile there, pile over there. Then most of the mess is in the barn. So I will see you guys on the trails. So we're currently leaving the yard, and I'm gonna take you guys to the place where we loped yesterday on camera for Vlogmas Day 1. If I get around to posting this, because you guys know, queen at random posting. And I will be doing walking, trotting, and loping for you guys, so you don't have to see it from like my perspective. You can see me like how other people would watch me. So I'm gonna set you guys down right about here, and you guys can watch us.